Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sync a new Firestick remote using an easy method. First, make sure your Firestick device is fully powered on and connected to your television. Next, grab your new Firestick remote and 2 fresh AAA batteries. It's important to ensure the Firestick is active and displaying its home screen for the best results. Always remove any old batteries from the new remote before inserting the fresh ones. Now, let's get that remote paired. Carefully insert the 2 fresh AAA batteries into your new Firestick remote, making sure they are oriented correctly. Once the batteries are in, point the remote directly towards your Firestick device or your television screen. The crucial step here is to press and hold the home button on your new remote for approximately 10 seconds. This action initiates the pairing process. After holding the home button for about 10 seconds, you should see a notification appear on your television screen confirming that the remote is pairing or has successfully connected. Once you see this message, you can release the home button. Your new remote should now be fully functional, allowing you to navigate your Firestick. If it doesn't connect immediately, try moving a bit closer to your Firestick device and repeat the 10-second hold. Sometimes, if the initial pairing doesn't work, a quick restart of your Firestick device can help. Simply unplug it from the power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. For a more thorough remote reset, remove the batteries, then press and hold the home button for 20 seconds. This clears any previous pairing data, giving you a clean slate for another attempt to sync your new Firestick remote.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.